This is a tutorial to show you how to use the ID-45 Wi-Fi fingerprint scanner with FingerSCAN DecedentID on iOS. When the green lights are on, the battery indicator on-off position is in the on position, you can scan fingerprints. And you'll want to touch the scanning surface as well as the bottom plastic edge, the frame at the bottom of the scanning surface at the same time. I'll show you this sideways so you can see. See my fingers touching the scanning surface as well as the bottom plastic edge, and then I'm able to capture the fingerprint image. You're going to do the same thing with rolled images. You have to touch the scanning surface as well as the bottom plastic edge of the frame around the scanning surface. With rolled images, you'll want to first set the finger down on an edge and hold it there until that edge is captured before you begin your roll. Otherwise, you'll roll back and forth and it won't be able to capture an image. And make sure you're touching that bottom plastic edge because that serves as a grounding mechanism. And I will show you this sideways as well. Okay, you can see that I'm capturing an edge, holding it there before I begin my roll. And you'll just need to practice a few times to get the hang of it, but all in all, it's fairly simple to use. Thank you for your time.